Hi. The course titled Sailing into Success Developing the IBPYP Classroom at Frank Guzik Elementary will be presented in a professional learning developed towards campus teachers. This course will start with an overview section named Getting Started. This section will allow our learners to understand and internalize the overarching goal for the learning timeline and outline of the learning, the norms and expectations for the learners, as well as the main topic of the learning that will take place during the course. The instructional design approach for this course will be realized in the modules in various ways to impact our learners in their various learning styles. The modules will include videos, interactive presentations, discussion boards, and many other activities that will engage our learners and allow them not only to understand the concept but to continue to learn in addition to what is being presented in the course specifically. The goal of the instructional design approach is to develop a level of understanding, provide the necessary tools and information to our teachers, and develop competency of the learners for the upcoming implementation of the IBPYP in our organization. The main course goal and outcomes for the learning will be presented and shared with the learners in two different ways. It will be presented during the introduction of the learning as part of the Back to School Professional Learning series, and it will be a part of the Getting Started section in the learning management system used to continue the learning throughout its duration. The modules in the course will align the outcomes and goals with the activities and assessments provided throughout the learning. These activities and assessments are provided in the three column table, which will be available to the learners in the learning management system in the Getting Started module. The learning will be student centered and will provide facilitators that will aid in the learning and the accomplishment of all tasks and learning. The facilitators will host a series of face to face sessions in which additional activities and learnings will take place to leverage and introduce the next module and learning outcomes. The range of the instructor's role will be mainly of a facilitator of the learning by introducing the modules with a brief overview of the learning and the assignments. The instructor will also serve as a coach for all team members that are undergoing the learning and need support in any manner to accomplish the completion of the learning. The course will utilize a blended learning approach that will incorporate both face to face and online learning. The various activities and reflections will be presented in both settings or alternate in order to facilitate the execution of the learning and provide the learners with ample time to realize the activities and reflections. The course will be introduced at the beginning of the school year as part of the Back to School Professional Development and will be continued throughout the school year by touching base with teachers in PLC meetings as well as the face to face learning sessions. Community will be built through a series of activities that will have a focus on team building. Additionally, through focusing on a support of community of learners that will solidify our team as well. The percentage for the learning will be 50% in face to face, and 50% will be conducted through online learning in the learning management system Google Classroom.